Dear students, today we will learn electric board wiring connection having one socket, one switch, single board. Review of previous class. You know that what is phase or live wire which carries electric current to the appliance. This is live wire. We have to connect this live wire to the socket and to the switch. And another is neutral wire, which is the return path of the electric current. And we have to connect this neutral wire to the socket only. How we will do connection? For this is a distribution box, an electric single board box. Switch as a single unit was solely available, socket solely available. We have connected them in this DB through this screwdriver. Now always remember that phase is on the right side of the socket. This is phase oblique live wire, which is denoted by red color. It is always on the right side of the socket and neutral is on the left. So if it is right side, so when we have to connect it, so this side will be of phase. So we have to connect the phase wire to the socket. For this, I have opened this terminal through screwdriver. I will insert this phase wire to the socket and will tighten the screws. So I am tightening the screw. I have tightened the screw. Now this phase wire, it is given to the socket. It should be given to switch also. For this, we will loosen this screw and insert this phase wire to the switch also. Now we will tighten the screw. So we have seen that phase wire is connected to the socket and switchboard. Now this side was for neutral, so we have to connect the neutral wire here. So neutral is always a black wire. Right now I am not having black wire, so I will connect this wire and will consider it as neutral wire to this terminal. I will loosen this screw. Will insert the wire to the socket. Neutral is given to the socket only. So we will tighten it with the help of screwdriver. So dear students, we have connected live wire, phase wire to the switch and socket, neutral wire for the mains. Now we have not yet connected live wire for the mains. So we will connect this live wire to the second terminal of the switch. We will unscrew this and insert this live wire to this terminal and fasten the screw. So see, we have connected neutral wire, live wire for the mains connection. This is earth wire. If you have earthing at your home, for the safety and security, as I have already told you, this is earth terminal. In previous classes I have told you that this is the phase point, this is neutral point and this is earth point. So we will connect this earth wire to the earth terminal. So we will unfasten it and then we will connect earth terminal, earth wire to this and fasten the screw. So see, our wires have been connected to all the terminals, screws have been tightened. Now our DB box is ready. We have to close the box. For this sheet should be cut, wire should be came out from here. But right now I have to give you the concept of wiring for the switch and socket. Always remember that this is phase, this is neutral. So phase is given to the switch and socket both. So phase is given to the socket and switch both. Neutral is given to the socket only, and this is earth wire. So we will close this, and for this, these screws are here. We will fasten the screws and will close the DB box with the help of screwdriver. This is diagrammatic representation of wiring of one switch, one socket. As I have already told you, this is socket. Earth wire, it is grounded. So this is earth connection. Neutral wire is connected to the left side and phase wire to the right side. Phase wire is connected both to the switch and socket, and through the switch terminal it is connected to the mains. I have told you in class 8th and 9th about phase or live wire. It carries electric current to the appliance. This is review of previous class. Neutral wire, it is return path of electric current. It completes circuit. It is usually at 0 voltage. Always remember to use green color for earthing, black for neutral, red for phase. So dear students, today we have learned one switch, one socket wiring for an electric board. This is in your syllabus and you have to learn this concept. So when lockdown will be over, we will make this circuit and will check in the mains for the proper functioning. Thank you, and do this, and definitely I will give you MCQ or GK Google Sheet online exam and you have to appear for it. Thank you.